In this video, I will be showing you how to embed an Instagram video to Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I start on the Canva homepage dashboard, where my design options are displayed. I move my mouse cursor towards the top left corner of the screen and click directly on the purple Create a Design button. This opens up a selection window with several preset layout formats. I look through the frequently used options and select Instagram Post, 4 to 5. Canva opens a brand new project tab with a clean, blank canvas ready for editing. Once the editing interface has loaded completely, I turn my attention to the left-hand navigation sidebar. I scroll down past the default tools and click directly on the Apps icon near the bottom of the bar. Inside the Apps panel, I click on the search bar at the very top and type the word Embed. From the displayed search results, I click on the official Embed tool icon to launch the Web Media Embedding panel. Inside the Embed panel, I see the option to add live web links and interactive media directly to the design. I click into the web link text box where it says Paste web link here, paste the URL of my chosen Instagram reel, and click on the purple Add to Design button. Within a few moments, the interactive Instagram video appears on the canvas. I drag the corner handle outward to resize it and position the frame neatly in the upper half of the page. Canva also lets you embed content using direct platform shortcuts. Looking back at the Embed panel on the left, I scroll down and click directly on the Instagram icon under the supported apps. A new Instagram embed element is placed onto the canvas, and I drag it down beneath the first video. Next, I click on the link field above the box, paste my Instagram reel URL, and click the purple Done button to load the video content. With the second reel now successfully embedded, I grab the bottom corner handle and drag it outward to expand the frame so it matches the size of the top video. I ensure both video cards are neatly aligned, scaled, and balanced across the vertical canvas. Finally, I click the small arrow to collapse the left sidebar panel and take a clear look at the completed design. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to embed Instagram video to Canva.